My name is Catherine Fee and I am the Programme Director for the MSc in Mechanical Engineering with Management. This course is designed for anybody that's coming from an engineering science background and really for anybody that loves engineering. It is a lovely combination of technical engineering modules and management business modules. This course was developed in collaboration with industry and we continuously consult with them to ensure that our content is industry ready. The course was developed because of industry demand and the gap that they saw with people being technically able but maybe not having the managerial skills or the business know-how. We also are accredited by IMechE and that makes us stand out because not all MSc engineering courses are.
Hi, my name is Johnny. I study a Masters in Mechanical Engineering with Management at Queen's University Belfast. The course has been great. There's a lot of teamwork involved. Therefore, it's really opening up that side of applying your technical knowledge to an engineering environment while also implementing the likes of the management side to it. So the technicians will always give their expertise into any projects that you might be working on. They are always willing to give you a hand with whatever task it is you have.
I'm Dr. Chiu Chen and I teach manufacturing technology. And for introduction, the module is divided into two parts. So the first part is all about the laser manufacturing processing. So a lot of you already understand the plastic 3D printing. But in this module, you will learn about the metal 3D printing using the laser technology. And the second part of the module is all about the automation and control technology. So at the end, all this is going to equip the students with the capabilities to prepare for the real world.
I chose this course specifically because of its inclusion of management modules and the overall course structure. The manufacturing module was more hands-on with in-person sessions and manufacturing. So I'd say it's a good mix of both, the best of both worlds. It has enabled me to communicate with employers more effectively on what they're looking for.
With engineers, I think with certain professions, for example, it's a disconnect in terms of where does what they do fit in business. I mean, every engineering company is a business. And no matter what field they go to work in, they're going to be presented with business language, vocabulary that's alien to them really. By the end of the module, they'll know how to appraise a company financially just by looking at a set of financial statements.
I left work and decided to do masters full-time. And of course, it was the mechanical engineering with management that I chose. My career objective is to change career kind of, so I'm thinking of going into sustainable energy systems. It does kind of fit in really nicely with that career change. There was a lot of real life tutorials and examples. So look, the resources were, it was much better than I thought. And I was really glad about those resources.
My name is Beatrice Smith and I am a Senior Lecturer in Sustainable Energy Systems here in Queen's. We do practical demonstrations in the class, allow students to see on a small scale how renewable energy technologies work in practice. So one example is we have a small scale, desk scale electrolyzer that produces hydrogen, and then we have a model car that runs on that hydrogen.
Well, what I teach on the module, for example, first of all, the first topic usually around space environment and how a design of a cube satellite is different from a design of an automobile. They learn design, manufacturing, and also testing. We prepare our students for what's coming next when they go for the real field and they have to work for the industry like Boeing or Aerospace Systems or Airbus. They require more sophisticated knowledge than just design.
I would definitely recommend this course to anyone that would be considering it because, as I mentioned, there is excellent academics here that can always help you throughout your future.
Difficult, but rewarding. You become really highly skilled, let me put it that way.
What makes our course different is the combination of modules, the nice split between technical engineering and engineering management. With that, how we develop our modules is quite unique. We base it on our CDIO framework, where our technical disciplinary theory is the core, whilst we're very strong on developing those professional skills so students can actually apply the knowledge.